In the last class, we started this new chapter, whole and parts. Today is the second class. I shared one classwork here on worksheet. Whatever is learned based on that, you have to answer this. Few topics of this already we learned in class 4 also, half and quarters. The first question is, a part of parts of whole is called whole. Example, one pizza, which is made part of, then again made part, so 1/4. So 1/4 is a part of part. That 1/4 is called fraction. So first question option is fraction. If you look at this fraction, any fraction, 2/3, there is one number above, one number below. Above number is called numerator, below number is called denominator. Above number, below number. Above is always numerator, below is always called as denominator.
Recording in progress.
What? When denominators are same, 1/2, 1/3, 2/3, 5/3. When denominators are same, they are called like fractions. Fractions have the same denominator are called like fractions. If denominators are same, they are called like fractions. That means 3 parts are there, 2 parts are given to one, like this, making parts. Same denominator. When same denominator, they are called like fractions. If denominators are different, it will be called as opposite of like, unlike fractions. Like fractions, opposite, unlike fractions. Fractions, denominators are different, they are called unlike fractions. What do you mean by proper fraction, improper fraction? Any idea? Proper fraction, improper fraction. Bhumika, switch on your video. Proper fraction, improper fraction.
Sir, I think proper fraction is
Yes.
sir, the numerator is smaller than the denominator.
Numerator is smaller than the denominator. It is called proper. If numerator is more than the denominator, if numerator is more, it is called improper fraction. If numerator is more, it is called improper fraction. If the numerator is less, it is called proper fraction.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm not getting the third question answer.
Third question already I wrote the answer. No. Fractions have the same denominator are called like fractions. Same denominator. Earlier I wrote the answer. Same denominator. 9 by 3, 5 by 3, 4 by 3. They are called like fractions. If denominators are same, they are called like fractions.
Sir,
Yes, what is the doubt?
what is one question? Fifth one.
Fifth question. Which one? Question number?
Yes, sir. Fifth one.
In a proper fraction, numerator is less than the denominator. Examples I wrote here. Less than the denominator. Numerator will be always less. Numerator will be less, then only it is called proper fraction. Numerator is less, then it is called proper fraction. If the numerator is more, it is called improper fraction. These are the examples I have given, which already you know. Just a road example. Numerator is more, it is called improper. Numerator is less, it is called proper. Look at the second question. Second question, I'm not going to do it because you know very well what is the second one. Easily you can answer this. One fraction is given. What is the numerator? What is the denominator? Just mention. Above one is called numerator. Below one is called denominator. Completed this. Above one is called the numerator, below one is called the denominator. So write the above one in the place of numerator, below one in the place of denominator. That's all you have to do. So very easy one. Above one, below one. Second question is activity. You are supposed to do this. Draw one rectangle and divide into 8 equal parts. One I have done. 4 ways we need. One I have done. Try to do other 3 ways and show it to me. One rectangle is drawn, 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 equal parts I did. Any other way is there? Any other way you can do it? Any other way if you can do it, please do it. Any other way you can do it, please do it. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. 8 equal parts. Different ways you have to think, use brains. What I did? 2 parts I did.
Sir,
Yes?
we have to make these shapes by using square also.
Rectangle. Rectangle, 8 equal parts. The equal parts can be anything. Equal parts can be rectangle or square. Here equal parts are rectangles. Here equal parts are squares. Any, but they have to be equal. 8 equal. 8 equal parts are needed. Those
Okay, sir.
parts can be anything. Divide a rectangle into 8 equal parts.
Sir, I have done one.
Yeah? What is the doubt? The second one, can I remove this? Numerator, denominator is done.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
8 equal parts in all possible different ways. It is a practical problem activity. Think, use brains. Yeah, one part is okay, fine. Can't see properly. Little down your notebook. 8 parts needed, but you have drawn many parts. Yeah, that 8 parts okay. That already I did. You did reverse this. This one you have done like this. Muzifa completed. 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. I did 3 here. One more shape is required. 4 different ways I am asking. I did 3 ways here. If you can try some other way also fine. I did 3 ways here.
Sir, is this worksheet done?
Huh?
Is this worksheet done?
Worksheets still are there, no? Still many questions are there. This activity, rectangle shapes, do it and show it to me. Please show to the camera so that I can see.
I had made and a fourth one,
Okay.
fourth way. Is it correct, sir?
Himani, little closer, ma. I can't see. Up. Okay. Are the shapes are equal? I don't think so. No, Himani. 8 shapes are there.
Yes, sir.
2
In this
rectangles are there. Remaining are?
square, sir.
No, no. I have told you all should be same. All should be rectangles. All should be square. 2 rectangles, remaining squares are not accepted. All squares are all rectangles. See rectangular. This and this should be same. This and this should be
Okay,
same.
sir.
All should be same. That was what asking.
Done, sir.
There is one student joined with Praveen Mudira's name. Who is that student? Who is that Praveen Mudiras?
Sir, Praveen.
Huh? Harshini, it is correct, ma. Praveen Mudiras. Who joined with Praveen Mudira's name?
Sir, Meghana.
You have to change the name. There are 2 Meghana. Who is that? Meghana Sri? No, only one Meghana. K Meghana.
Not Meghana.
K Meghana?
No, sir. Praveen Mudiraj is different.
Who is that Praveen Mudiras? Praveen Mudira's name is not there in 5th B. Who joined Zoom with Praveen Mudira's name?
My father name, sir.
Then what is your name?
My name Meghana.
K. Meghana.
Ma'am.
Ah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Rectangle with 8 equal parts, 4 different ways. 3 I tried here. You try the fourth one. If you can try something else also fine. Next, find 3 by 4 of 36. 3 by 4 of 36.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, is this is right?
You send to me afterwards. 3
Okay,
by
sir.
4 of. Of means multiplication. 3 by 4 into 36. That is the meaning. Of means multiplication. 3 by 4 of 36. 4 in the denominator, 36 in the numerator. 4 9 ja 36. Cancellation, division. 4 9 ja 36. Now 3 into 9. That is 27. This is how we get the answer. In 36, 3 by 4 is this. 5 by 9 of 54. 5 by 9 of 54. 5 by 9 into 54. 9 1 ja, 9 6 ja. That is 30. Next, 4 by 3 of dozen. What do you mean by dozen? Dozen means 12. Dozen means 12. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja.
Sir, half doesn't mean 6.
16. Completed? 1/4 of a day. Day means 24 hours. 24 hours. So 1/4 into 24. See, 24 in the numerator, 4 in the denominator. It means division or cancellation. 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24. This cancellation you have to practice a lot. This is the key of the mathematics. Very important concept of mathematics. Many students' video is off. I'm tired of telling this. Please switch on the video. Every time you are doing like this. The video is off. You will not go allowed to the class. I have told you many times. Vishwanath, Dinesh, Furkan, Bhumika.
Sir, I got fever. Can I off the video?
Yes, yes,
Abhinav?
you can off. Others, please switch on. Write first 10 equivalent fractions. In the last class, I have given the worksheet which contains equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions of 5/9. 5/9. How to get equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions means multiplying the numerator denominator with the same number. Multiply with 2 numerator denominator. What happens? 5 into 2, 9 into 2, 10/18. This is one equivalent fraction. 5 into 3, 9 into 3. One more. Numerator, denominator should be increased by same level. Should be multiplied by same number. 15/27. Similarly, 4, 20/36. 5, 25/45. Numerator, denominator multiplying with the same number. That will give its equivalent fractions. Here it is asked 10 fractions. 10 not necessary, 5 enough. I wrote 4, one more you can try. This is for 5/9. Now try same way for 4/3. Let me see what happens. 4/3. Multiply numerator, denominator with the same number. That's all you have to do. That's the only thing you have to do. Multiply the numerator and denominator with same number. Multiply the numerator and denominator with same number, you will get its equal fraction.
Sir, then we cannot actually, like 5/9, we have to add 5 into 2, 9 into 2.
Yes.
We have to go on adding the numbers.
Not adding, multiplying.
Yes, sir.
Equivalent fraction means you have to multiply with the same number. Same
Okay,
number
sir.
into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4. You can try with minus also, of course, minus 4 gets cancelled. Into 4 into 4
Okay.
into 5 into 5 into 6 into 6, like this. You have to multiply with the same number. When you multiply with same number, that is called equivalent fraction. If you multiply any one, then value changes. 4/3 also I tried here. You try 12/13.
और सिर्फ अपने मन को बहलाने के लिए शिकार करता था।
Completed? Equivalent fractions means multiplying numerator denominator with same number. That's all. Very simple. You have to multiply the numerator and also denominator with same number. It can be anything. It can be 2 or it can be 3, 4, 5, 6, any number. However small, however big, makes no difference. You have to multiply with same number. 2 I tried. Third one also I wrote multiplication. Answer you have to write. 12 2 ja, 13 2 ja. Practice tables. Everyone should learn 1 to 20 tables.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, have tables book, sir.
Having book is not important. You have to learn and have tables in brain. Keeping table book is not important. You have to learn and table should be in your brain. If I ask suddenly what is 19 5 ja, you must be able to answer. 17 7 ja, you must be able to answer. So you have to learn the tables. Yeah, next question. Answers already I gave there. Coloring I did. You have to do it again. I wrote questions and answers, everything there is. One square is divided into 16 small squares.
मैं तुम्हें जादुई शक्तियां दूंगा, ऐसी शक्तियां जो हमारी सोच से परे, जो तुम्हें बनाने की राजा जिसे कोई नहीं हरा सकता। और बदले में तुम जो भी शिकार करोगे उसकी हड्डियां मुझे लाकर दोगे। क्या? बस हड्डियां? हाँ, बस हड्डियां। और याद रहे, साबुत हड्डियां, उनमें से कोई भी।
Divita, mute yourself. Yeah. 16 small squares are there. It is simply coloring. Even a small kid can do this. 16 small squares are there. In first question, you have to color blue 8, white 8. White means it will be as it is. Only you have to color blue only. So he want 8 by 16 blue. Then automatically remaining will be the white. So 8 by 16, you have to color 8 small boxes. How to color? Choice is yours. You can color anything. I did one. Just I tried some different style. That's all. Some style I tried, which you don't need to copy. You can try on your own. You can color any 8. So draw this and color with pen or pencil. Color it. Blue color only. Color 8 blue. color any 8 blue. You can color anyway. Try to do some beautiful style. That's all. When you color 8 blue, the remaining 8 will be white only. Next one, 4 black he wants. I did with yellow color because that time black was not available. I did with yellow. I forgot to do with black. I did with yellow. If you want, you can in the place of black, you can write yellow. It makes no difference. Again 4. I did diagonal wise. Just coloring. Second one, 4 black. When you do 4 black, remaining will be white only. Third one, 8 black. One style of coloring I have shown here. If you want, you can copy the same or you can try some other colors. Be creative. Think something different, right? Enjoy it. Jivita, sit properly. Sparshada, what are you doing? Seven black. Completed. Sixteen small boxes and you have to color the number. Look at the next question which I am giving as homework. Answer is already mentioned here. We did 8 equal parts of rectangle earlier. Now 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts in different ways. 6 equal parts in different ways. The rest we will see in the next class. Okay. Completed this? Okay. Rest we